Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to discuss some topics on solar cell cooling of building. Myself, Kranti J.S. from VCE of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Introduction. In solar cooling system, solar heat is used to drive the cooling process. Thermally driven cooling machines such as absorption or adsorption chiller have been used for decades but have been powered mainly by industrial waste heat or by district waste. In recent years, demonstration projects have shown the potential to use solar thermal energy to drive those chillers. Because most of the available thermal chillers have large cooling capacitors, the focus of R&D was largely on developing smaller cooling units as well as to improve the system design. About 100 systems have been installed in Europe and several companies are offering solar cooling solutions as part of their product and service portfolio. Why solar cooling? Dramatic increase of air conditioning since the early 80s. Cost of energy. Issues related to environmental pollution due to energy production, due to use of CFCs and HCFCs. Measures demand with source availability. Crucial for improving life standards in developing countries. Solar cooling system. In solar cooling system, solar heat is used to drive the cooling process. Thermally driven cooling machines such as absorption or absorption chillers have used for decades but have been powered mainly in the industrial waste heat or by district heat. Components of a solar cooling system. As solar cooling installation consists of typical solar thermal systems made up of solar collectors, storage tank, control unit, pipes and pumps, thermally driven cooling machine chillers. Operating principle for air conditioning with heat sources. Heat thermal driven process, chilled water, conditioning air, and for the hoses. Solar collectors. Solar collectors are the key components of active solar heating and cooling system. They gather the sun's energy, transform its radiations into heat. They transform the heat that is fluid. The solar thermal energy can be used in solar water heating systems, solar cooling systems, solar pole heaters, and solar space heating systems. Classifications. Flat plate collectors. The absorbing surface is approximately as large as the overall collector area that intercepts the sun's rays. Concentrating collectors. Large area of mirrors or lens focus the sunlight onto a smaller absorber. Chillers. Chillers are the core of solar rolling plants. In solar panels provide energy input to the plant. Chillers are the more machines that are able to produce cooling by utilizing the hot water coming from solar tanks. Chillers. A chiller is a machine that removes heat from a liquid via a vapor compression or absorption refrigeration cycle. Most often water is, but this water may also contain 20% glycol and corrosion inhibitors. Other fluids such as thin oils can be called as chilled as well. Components of absorption refrigerator. Solar collector, absorber or generator modules, condenser and evaporator. Working procedure. Step 1. Desorption, drying of absorbent. Step 2. Adsorption. Water vapor is absorbed at the surface of the absorbent. Step 3. Return to the condenser. Working process of absorption chiller. Water vapor, liquid processor water, check valves, condenser return, driving heat, heat rejection, cold rejection. Remarks. Under typical operation conditions, with a driving heat temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius, absorption chillers can achieve a COP of about 0 0.6, but operation is possible even at heat source temperature of approx 60 degrees Celsius. The capacity of these chillers ranges from 50 kilowatts to 500 kilowatts chilling power. Solar cooling applications. Winter store cooling. Use cooling of wine water, wine store. Site Banyuls, South France. Solar thermal collector field. 130 meter square evacuator tube collector. Chillers, absorption chillers with 52 kilowatt cooling capacity. Air conditioning of a factory. Use air conditioning of the production facilities in a cosmetics factory. Site in Fuita Viotias, approx 50 kilometers northeast of Athens. Solar thermal collector field 2700 meter square flat plate collector. Two absorption chillers with 350 kilowatt each. Three compression chillers with 350 kilowatts each. Thank you.